Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka, the Clueless Artist, and I'm back with another art video. In today's video, as the title suggests, I will be painting on this tote bag using Fevicryl colors. I got this bag in one of the conference held by Google 2 years back, and since then I haven't used it much. So I thought, why not give it a makeover so that I can carry it outside as well. As you can see, I have already traced the outline of the painting that I am going to make, and now let us go ahead and start painting. I started painting and soon I realized that I have made a mistake by directly starting to paint because it has already a print on it. It was prominently visible with the single coat of color. Ideally, it is always a good practice to apply gesso or acrylics to white acrylics to hide your background or print and make the surface even. So I stopped here and covered the remaining surface with white acrylics. Once the background was completely dry, I again started painting, and you can clearly see the difference. This is how it turned out. I really liked it. I hope you also enjoyed watching the video. If you did, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. And for more such videos, please subscribe to the channel.